Could PDF templates be to Canva what PSD templates are to Photoshop? In this video, I will explore the PDF feature in Canva in relation to scrapbooking and explain why this feature is so exciting with so much potential. Firstly, let me show you how it works. At present, it only works on a computer, that's the import. It's as simple as dragging and dropping the file into your browser, but once it's there, it can be accessed on any device. Once it's loaded, I see that the size is a little bit smaller than I'd like. It's always good to double check, but I can fix this later. There will be a feedback box that pops up, so I can close that. And then after that, it's as simple as just dragging and dropping photos into the frames. It is that easy. Now, if you'd like to, it's not necessary, but you can right-click the frame and choose Detach Image before you delete the image once it's separated. And this is just purely to make the frame visible. It could be good if you're saving the template to come back to later, for example, but it's an extra step you don't necessarily need to do. Sometimes, depending on the method of exporting, you could have a copy of the frame as a shape hidden underneath, but as this was exported through Photoshop, it doesn't have that. Now, to fix that size issue when you don't have Pro, just like I don't, I would just grab a square, make it the exact same size of the page, select All or Control A and Control X for cut. I will go to Custom Size, which for this template is 6 by 8 inches at 300 dpi, which is 1800 by 2400. I will paste everything in and make it the exact same size of the page so that everything is where it should be and the correct size without having to guess, and then just delete the rectangle and it's ready to go. So just why is this exciting? Well, for Canva users, this could mean the same abilities as Photoshop users have using PSD files. So quick pages by designers could be within our grasp, including custom shapes, just like the Ali page I showed. So I wanted to spread the word so that more people could reach out to designers to see if this is potentially something they could offer us. And if the demand is there, it could be, which is a great feature to be able to have. Now, there are some things I need to point out. Sadly, it isn't as easy as running a PSD file through an online converter. It's something that the designer of the PSD would need to offer. For those people interested in how you do it, I will show you how to create it in Photoshop or Affinity Photo in another video. You can still copy templates by converting the PSD to a JPEG or PNG and importing that and using the resources within Canva to create the page. But the whole point of a quick page is that all the hard work is already done for you, and in some instances there are some custom shapes, as I showed with the Ali template, that just isn't possible to do otherwise. Hopefully, import functionality expands to mobile devices too in the future. Templates can also be made within Canva and exported, so for someone who doesn't have Pro and does not have enough folders to be able to organise the templates, you could still offer a PDF version and not have an empty template sitting on your account as it has been shared with others. Another note that I've found is that frames are not able to have drop shadows with them either. They just can't seem to handle it and revert the photo to a rectangle. So if you're hoping for some more realistic scrapbooking within Canva using drop shadows, then frames are not the way to go. I hope this helps you understand just why I think this feature for scrapbookers and memory keepers within Canva is so exciting to me and why I want to let other people know about it. It could be huge. Please drop me a comment down below about your thoughts on this, and I'll catch you all in the next one.